Some tips on how to earn money in general. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn money if you have a specific skill such as writing, graphic designing, programming, or digital marketing. You can find freelance work on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, etc. Online surveys. There are many websites that offer paid surveys. These websites pay you for completing surveys that are related to market research. Selling products online. You can sell products online through websites like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, or your own website. Online tutoring. You can teach students online through platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or even create your own courses and sell them. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn commission by promoting someone else's products. You can sign up for affiliate programs of various companies and promote their products on your website or social media. Renting out your assets. You can rent out your assets such as a spare room, car, or bike on platforms like Airbnb or Turo.